In this video, I'll show you how to add a vanilla gift card to Venmo. Firstly, log into your Venmo account and tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. In the menu, select Settings. Tap on Payment Methods. Tap Add Bank or Card and choose Card. Enter your vanilla gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Tap Add to save the card to your Venmo account. Although you've added the gift card, you'll still need to convert the card's balance to your Venmo balance to use it for transactions. Now, your vanilla gift card is linked to your Venmo account, and you can use it just like any other payment method. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.